Admit it, sometimes we all get a bit fed up with our jobs, right? But don't let a third of your life become dull. Joy can always be found in work. So, let us inspire you with a series showcasing construction workers excelling at a whole new level. Let's dive right in.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
A limited giant domino set. If you urgently need an elevator at construction sites, give this team a call. Could they finish the job 7 times faster than usual? Nylon wrapping can reduce the risk of concrete columns cracking due to weather exposure. Like a boss. He didn't have to go to school for this. How would you rate their work on a scale of 1 to 10? Real-life examples highlight the motto of working smart rather than working hard. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'll repeat this forever. Hey, need some help? Yeah, could you lend me a hand? To make the plastering process smoother and less sticky, it's best to clean and moisten the plastering roller beforehand. If life relies on electricity, then sockets are like vodka. No matter how many you have, it's never enough. Installing cables for electric vehicles requires additional safety gear for the workers involved. Cutting at 45 degrees at the intersection corners helps the plaster V-braces attach more tightly without gaps. The precast concrete slabs have good load-bearing capacity and can last up to 70 years. I wonder how many times he practiced to reach that level. Goodbye, old-fashioned vents. This design will make your house much more aesthetic. Get rid of the slippery ice layer to prepare for replacing the roofing sheets. Due to their apex positioning, ridge tiles often receive the brunt of the harshest weather conditions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with more ingenious construction worker videos. What will construction workers do when they spot an error on the building site? Of course, they'll roll up their sleeves and get to fixing it. penny stock investors be curious about this design? With just a little ingenuity and diligence, a luxury floor will be completed with simple materials. Create a beautiful oasis for relaxing afternoons right at home. The inflatable bags and towels were used as decorative materials. Don't be fooled by Sandico di Castuco, a decorative plaster that looks shiny like marble. It's not just about skill, it's also a practice of trust. Although ventilated bricks create a breezy space, they might pose a challenge for those with trypophobia. The workers beautifully restored the original appearance of the road without any flaws. Thanks to its easy installation, PVC ceiling membrane will be a suitable DIY project for those with basic skills. This piece of gypsum board probably lies under the desk of gamers. They need to save footage like this right away in case they need it. One of the biggest issues when installing a chimney is water drainage. Add a protective layer to make sure that not a drop of water leaks down. Their surfing skill was applied to smoothing the road surface. Just one hole isn't enough to challenge the creativity of the craftsman. PMMA-based industrial waterproofing coating delivers durable, long-term waterproofing and corrosion protection. A fantastic performance, but to prevent the mortar from peeling off due to temperature deformation, adding a galvanized mesh might be necessary. The geodesic dome is quite ideal for hosting temporary events, thanks to its flexibility and ease of assembly. Hydrotek's fabric-formed concrete has greater hydraulic efficiency than RIP. A thick layer of salt is spread when building a furnace to prevent heat loss and moisture. Penny tiles have a non-slip surface that makes them great for high traffic and even wet areas. Construction techniques to build a beautiful and precise square column.
ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Do their skills leave you in awe, or do you feel like there's more they could do? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and see you next time.